Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the device PIN or owner account. This is required to change controls. Next, open Settings and go straight to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls so you see active profiles. Once there, tap the Parental Controls or Digital Wellbeing card to reveal timers, app limits, and linked family accounts. Make sure to note which account is listed as manager before proceeding so you know what to remove or edit. Now focus on the controls themselves. Remove app timers and limits by selecting each app and tapping Turn Off Limit, or delete timers in bulk. If Family Link or a parental account is present, sign out that account or remove it from Device Manager. You may need that account's password. Also disable screen time and bedtime schedules inside Digital Wellbeing so automatic locks stop. If you change settings, restart the device to ensure system services, reload without restrictions. Finish by restarting the device and verifying apps open normally and timers are cleared. If something still blocks you, use Account Recovery to reset the manager's PIN or password. Follow Google or Apple recovery flows to regain control. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes all accounts and settings, but erases local data, so make sure your backup is complete before you proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.